Reduced service continued on important cross.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to yet another beautiful video. If you're seeing this amazing face for the first time, please consider hitting on that subscribe button and turn on your bell notification so you get notified each time I post a new video, because I post videos here every time, right? Every day. Yeah, so we're going to be checking. Norway is freezing. Massive snowstorm hits southern Norway. I seriously cannot wait to check this out. I don't know what to expect. I just hope it's not what I'm thinking, because I don't know. Let's just go check this out, and I'm just gonna react as it comes, all natural, right? This is a lot of snow.
A massive snowstorm hit southern Norway, most municipalities along the coast, including Kristiansand, Lillesand, Tvedestrand, Riser and Arendal, had decided to keep schools closed at least through Wednesday because of the weather
Students
conditions.
cannot really go under this kind of condition.
Han styrte opp.
A lot of snow, guys. I don't think I can survive this. Oh, wow, these are people's houses. It's been covered with snow.
The Red Cross made extra ambulances available in case of emergencies, and more than a dozen snowmobiles were put into service to transport medical teams if necessary. The snow had kept falling through the night and Tuesday, forcing shutdown of local train lines, including Arendalsbanen, portions of Sørlandsbanen and Vestfoldbanen farther north.
This is too much, you guys.
State meteorologists had issued warnings of heavy snow accompanied by strong winds, and the storms set in as expected on New Year's Eve. By New Year's Day, transport of all types was disrupted, and thousands of residents in the southwestern county of Agder lost their electricity.
I'm sure it's because of the snow that made them lost their electricity. Snow is them too much. How can they cope? Of course, everything will be held on standby because no one can go out on this condition. The snow is massive, guys. I just hope they're all fine. I just hope they're fine. I don't know, but
the snow outside homes in Grimstad, better known as a popular summer holiday destination, was well above knee level, while downtown Kristiansand appeared all but inundated. Driving was otherwise discouraged all over southern Norway, with local mayors urging people to just stay home.
Like massive. I'm speechless.
Reduced service continued on important crosstown bus lines, but even the tram from downtown up to the hills at Frognerseteren, a popular skiing destination, had to shut down early Monday afternoon. The weather was worse along the coast than in the mountains, where many roads stayed open. Motorists had to wait in long lines to join escorted convoys.
Too much.
Bak anne, son durum bu işte, bak. Gelin. Norveç'e gelmeyin, bak. Bak. Her taraf kar. Bak 1 metre kar var.
State meteorologists extended their warnings for heavy snow and difficult transport conditions through Wednesday, when temperatures were due to plummet in line with a new cold front moving in. Oslo residents are among those warned of frigid temperatures well into next week.
Men ned hit, og så kan han se selv, og vi har prøvd å ta oss inn derfra og derfra. Ja, nå skal jeg bergen ungen min her ut.
Yo guys, I don't know how to feel. I don't know how to feel because I'm just picturing how they'll cope. The weather is definitely going to be extremely cold for them. How do they even breathe? Is the heater there going to be enough for them to cope? Like, this is massive. I don't think I've really seen a snow this massive. Like, yeah, I don't think I have. I'm just picturing how would they cope. That's the only thing on my head. Because this is so much. The snow is too much. I just hope everybody's fine. I hope everybody's doing well. And definitely everything is going to be on hold. The schools, businesses, everything is definitely going to be on hold because this snow right here is too much. It's massive, guys. Anyways, if you're staying in Norway and you're watching this video, please let me know how you guys are coping. I just hope you guys are fine. I hope your families are okay, and I hope I don't know if the schools or business has resumed, because I'm watching this directly from I think YouTube channel, and this was posted like some days ago, and the link of this video will be on my description box too if you want to check. I hope you guys are doing good. My love to you all, right? All right guys, I'll see you guys in my next video.